This is my true self presentation by Mikhail Cabrera. One of the main attributes that I have about myself is that I'm not a time waster. That is my most important thing because that's one thing you can't get back. So I thought this picture was perfect and the quote was perfect because I live by that. I can't waste time. I'm too antsy. This picture is about when I thought medical school was the career for me until I found out my freshman year of college that it wasn't, and I told my parents about it and I was honest with them and they respected my decision. And now I am a major in kinesiology and hopefully to be a physical therapist. And this one is about when me and my dad were talking about something that I thought was important. And I was really excited about it because my grandma gave me this really special juicer that she used to make juices for me all the time. And I really appreciated it. And once I told him about it, he was not as excited as I thought he would be. So it made me really upset because I thought he was gonna be happy for me and he wasn't. And that made a big impact kind of on me because I look up to him. And this one is about the time that I encouraged my boyfriend to not give up on his dreams and his hopes because he told his parents that he wanted to own a business and they were not supporting him about it because they said it was too risky. And I told him that anyone that doubts you or anyone that tells you not to do something, there's always going to be those people, and if you listen to them, then you're never going to accomplish what you really want, and to just prove them even more wrong. And I thought that was really cool because he really appreciated our conversation. And this one is about positive and negativity in the world, and I'm a big believer on whatever you surround yourself with, you're going to become that. So always surround yourself by positive, good people, and you'll only go up from there because if you surround yourself with negativity, you're never going to really go anywhere. And this picture, I love this picture. It's about kind of your motivation in life and in school, and to not let anyone discourage you, or to just never give up on yourself, and to always strive for the best of you and not compare yourself to anyone else, but to just always make yourself a better person and make yourself work harder than the other people. And my goals and dreams in life right now are to just graduate school, get a solid, stable job until I could really do what I want to do, which is own my own women's gym eventually in the future. I definitely want to do that. And one of the attributes that I would change about myself is just my socially awkwardness in social situations. I'm not the best at that, but I'm definitely pushing myself to get better because that's the only way I'm going to improve on it. One of my attributes that I really like about myself, though, is that I'm definitely more daring than most females, more particularly. I don't see a lot of snowboarding girls out there, and I think it's really sick that people are really surprised at what I can do with snowboarding, and it's really awesome. And one of my main things that I live by is just be a good person. Just no matter what, surround yourself with good people, be a good person. That's only going to take you to better places. And this last one is about one attribute that is more private, and this one actually was a good accurate representation because I'm kind of more of a person that doesn't show their feelings and that won't ever let you know how I'm feeling unless I want you to. And no matter how I'm feeling, I'm always going to just put a smile on my face and go forward with my day because, sitting in my own sadness or sitting in my own pity it's never going to get me anywhere. So thank you.